how can we make people realize that, why is it so very important to take 100% responsibility of everything that is happening in your life? And how can they take this beautiful technique, um, Ho'oponopono, to get rid of physical illness, chronic stress? Like in your case, you said that you attracted from your grandparents. So how this process work on a deeper level to be able to get rid of this situation and not being stuck in it?
So coming to your question that we keep on blaming others. Why we keep on blaming? Because number one, it is very easy to do, right? It's very easy. Just say, okay, you are responsible for this. Because of you, it is happening. Because we have nothing to do in that. So that is why it's very easy to blame others and just get rid of that issue. And second thing I would say, yes, taking 100% responsibility is really, I would say, imperative because what if I talk about from Ho'oponopono point of view, so Dr. Hewlin said, whatever situation you are attracting in your life, whatever challenges you are going through, you are responsible for this because you are in it. So, for example, if I am having any medical issue, if I am having any relationship issue, I am there in that situation, I am responsible. It could be from my childhood, it could be from my past life, it could be from my generational thing. But since I am involved in the situation, so it is my responsibility to heal it. For example, if somebody is going through relationship issue, they have two choices. Number one, keep blaming their partner, keep living in the same situation, or and make the situation worse. Because as we all are energetically aligned, right? So if I am blaming my husband for everything, if I am saying he's this, he's that, what I'm doing, I am creating that energy block between me and him. And he would feel it, he will sense it, and things will go on a negative side. Second choice I have that okay, if this situation is happening, instead of blaming, I take 100% responsibility. Maybe whatever reason is, it is my responsibility to heal this. It is my responsibility to upgrade my vibration so that I would attract good things in my life. So the first thing is to realize that okay, it is happening. I need to heal this. So once you realize that okay, I really want to get rid of the situation. I don't want to repeat this pattern. So I am taking 100% responsibility. Second thing, I would say don't go on social media for any kind of healing technique. That's the one mistake people do. They just try to look for the, Instagram, YouTube, and they will do things. And what will happen after that? You will try some technique or some tool for good 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and then you'll be like, no, it's not working. Right? So I would suggest connect to somebody. Hire a coach, hire a healing coach or any law of attraction coach who would handhold you, who would guide you how to do that. Because when you follow a process, when you know that you are accountable to someone, and when you know that you have to present yourself every day with that person, that becomes very easy. And you don't have to do everything on your own. The person will tell you, that person will guide you how you need to, take all these things based on your issues. So now when you are connected with somebody now, so and the person will help you to release your blockages. That person will tell you that why you are feeling this problem. For example, if somebody has a feeling of lost less self-worth, so the person will tell you why are they feeling this. They will ask you questions, they will connect with you, and then they will tell you, okay, this is the reason that your childhood could be responsible for this. And then you will have healing, and then you will have Ho'oponopono or any inner child healing. So you will release that, and then you will see that okay, things are happening. So as you asked me that why it is important for people to take 100% responsibility, I would just say one simple thing that if you really want your life to, I mean, we have a lot of desires. We want ki our life should be this. Oh, that person is living an amazing life. I also want to have an amazing life. So if you really have a desire, so you have to work for it. You can't just sit and scroll the social media and just wish that okay, I want this, I want that. You need to work for it. So you need to take responsibility that this is it, and now I have to start my life, like from a clean slate, and I want to do things which is meant for me. So that is why it is very important to take responsibility of your life and to do things which aligns your desire. Until and unless you won't take any action, trust me, nothing will change. So you need to go deep, you need to give commitment to yourself that now I am ready to change my life. And then things will start to change. And then you will see that you will attract a good mentor who will be ready to help you. You will attract a coach, you will find somebody who will you connect and you will say, okay, yes, that's it. Now I am ready to. And universe will start giving you signal. And generally happens, I'm sure that you believe, you must have seen that when we are ready to take control of our life, universe literally gives you all the signs and signals and then be like, okay, this is happening for me, now I feel that I am on right path. You will start to see angel numbers, you will start to see all the social media thing which is feel like that now,
It's
this is
for
the right
me.
time, I
Yeah.
really can't. Yeah, this is for me now. It's like everything is aligning with my thought that I need to change my life. So that happens. So be open, give this thought to universe and universe will definitely help you.
Great, great. So Anu, now we will have a quick rapid fire questions for you. Okay, and we want you to answer them
Okay.
rapidly. What is your go-to mantra when you start your day?
I just say thank you, universe, for giving me this amazing day, another day to create my life. That's my first thought.
Great. If you had a spiritual power, what would it be?
Since I'm a very animal person. I mean, I'm very connected to animals, so I really want to have that one power wherein I can understand what they are saying. I want to understand animals' language so that I can do whatever best I can do for them.
Lovely, lovely.